fishing here, everybody. Just tried to forgot to record, but I just went to a spot down over there near Laurimar football ovals. No good, there for about an hour. I'm gonna move. There's a lot of dead carp, so I think it's been a fish recently, so maybe not the best decision. But I'm gonna move down to another spot, probably the same spot I normally go to. We'll see how we go. Found a nice little quiet spot, you know. Got this rod in, got to untangle. There's a tangle I was riding, but I'm gonna see how we go. Just casting right in the shallows. Seen people fish here before, and then my mate come, they caught a fish, so good chance, never know. But see how we go. I did end up moving to this spam spot and got one on. This is the crazy fishing effect. Holy. That'll be a good one, marlin. Well, I've got to reel it a bit. I'll see you soon. So, seems to be a good one, I think. Look at it. Holy, it's taking me under. Look. Oi. Good fight. That's been a pretty good carp. Put up a good fight. Bring it around the bank. Stand around there. Let's give it a measure. Good. 45 centimeters. I think this rod's on.